Greetings! This video demonstrates how to complete the BIDM research-related activities in our courses form using a course outline from BIDM. The purpose of the form is to identify the types of applied research and scholarship of research skills and knowledge taught in our courses. The form includes a brief description of both types of research and provides examples of the kinds of activities that might be happening in a course where each type of research is taught. Please pause and read the descriptions and examples. Now let's look at a course outline. The course learning outcomes for this course include applied tools used to design and improve business process. Presumably then, in this course, the students learn about business improvement tools and then use the tools. Possibly, they use the tools to identify business problems and make recommendations on how to improve or solve the problem. Even if they only do a piece of this process in the course, I think this course likely includes some instruction about applied research. We'd like to capture this information on the form. As the professor completing the form, you likely know what specific content is taught and what activities are delivered in the class. So let's look at the form. So you want to complete as provided in the example, the different fields. And when you get to this question, please provide brief 5 or 6 word descriptions of the activity, lesson, assessment, or content or skill that you teach that supports this learning outcome. So this number 5, because it's applied. If you have additional comments you'd like to include to help us understand a bit more about research activities in your course, please enter them in the comments box. I hope this video helped you understand how to identify applied research activities in a course outline and complete the form. Thanks.